Have you ever been in a crowded room, scanning for that one person who makes your heart race? Maybe it's a casual acquaintance, a coworker, or someone you met at a party. You catch her eye, and for a moment, it feels like the universe has hit pause, but then doubt creeps in. What if she doesn't like you back? What if you say the wrong thing? The anxiety is real, but what if I told you there are psychological strategies you can use to increase your chances of winning her heart? In this video, we're going to explore 10 psychological tips that can help you get her to like you. By the end, you'll have actionable insights to turn that spark into a flame. So let's dive in. Tip 1. Be confident, not cocky. Imagine walking into a coffee shop, your heart pounding as you scan the room. There she is, sitting at a table, lost in a book. You take a deep breath and approach her with a calm demeanor. Confidence is the first key. It's not just about walking tall, it's about exuding an inner belief in yourself. Picture this. You strike up a conversation, and instead of fumbling through your words, you speak clearly and maintain eye contact. Women are often drawn to confidence because it signals that you value yourself. But here's the catch. Confidence should never tip into cockiness. When you come across as arrogant, it's a red flag, suggesting you're insecure beneath the surface. To build that genuine confidence, focus on small daily affirmations, set achievable goals, and remember to practice good posture. When you enter that coffee shop with your head held high, you not only feel better but also look more attractive. Tip 2. Use the power of touch. Now, let's fast forward a few conversations in. You're laughing together, and as you share a funny story, you lightly touch her arm to emphasize a point. This is where the power of touch comes into play. Touch can create a bond that words alone might not achieve. Studies show that appropriate touch fosters feelings of warmth and trust. Imagine you're discussing your favorite movies and you casually lean in to share your excitement. If she smiles and leans closer, it's a good sign. Start with light touches during conversation, like a friendly tap on the shoulder or a gentle brush of the hand. Always be mindful of her boundaries. If she responds positively, you're building a connection. But remember, if she pulls away or seems uncomfortable, respect that space. Tip 3. Mirror. Her body language. As you continue chatting, you notice that she leans in when she's interested or her arms are open when she's relaxed. This is where mirroring comes in. Subtly mimicking her body language can create a sense of familiarity and comfort. Imagine she crosses her legs, and without even thinking, you do the same. This natural mirroring can deepen your connection. Studies indicate that when people mirror each other's movements, they tend to like each other more. But be careful. Overdoing it can feel forced. Let it happen organically as the conversation flows. When she leans forward to share a story, lean in too. It shows you're engaged and interested. Tip 4. Show genuine interest. Let's say you're deep in conversation, and instead of dominating the discussion with your stories, you focus on her. You ask questions about her interests, hobbies, and dreams. This isn't just about filling the silence. It's about showing genuine interest in who she is as a person. Active listening goes beyond merely hearing her words. It's about engaging with them. Imagine her face lighting up as you ask about her favorite travel destination or her passion for painting. Research shows that when someone feels truly listened to, they're more likely to feel a deeper connection with you. So, ask open-ended questions like, "What inspires you to paint?" or "What's the best adventure you've ever had?" This not only keeps the conversation flowing, but also demonstrates your investment in her. Tip 5. Find common ground. As your conversation unfolds, you discover that you both share a love for hiking. That's your golden ticket. Finding common ground can create a powerful bond between you two. Picture this. As you both reminisce about your favorite trails and breathtaking views, the energy shifts. Shared interests can enhance attraction, making both of you feel like you're part of a special club. When you talk about these shared passions, the excitement is palpable. You could even suggest planning a hike together, turning that shared interest into a memorable experience. Each time you revisit that connection, it strengthens your bond and gives you plenty of future topics to explore. Tip 6. Use humor wisely. Now, as the conversation progresses, you notice a lull. Here's where humor can come in handy. Think back to a funny story you heard or a light-hearted joke that fits the moment. Laughter is a universal language, and when used appropriately, it can break the ice and create a positive atmosphere. Imagine sharing a silly anecdote about your latest cooking disaster. Studies show that laughter releases endorphins, creating a sense of happiness and connection. However, be careful with your humor. Steer clear of offensive jokes or anything that might make her uncomfortable. Light-hearted teasing can be fun if you both share a playful rapport, but always read the room. If she's laughing, you're on the right track. Tip 7. Be yourself. As you continue to bond, remember that authenticity is crucial. In a world where so many people put up facades, being genuine can be a breath of fresh air. Let's say you're sharing your passions. Maybe it's your love for cooking or your obsession with classic rock music. Instead of trying to impress her with a perfect persona, show her the real you. Research shows that people are often drawn to those who are authentic, as it fosters trust and connection. When you're true to yourself, you attract someone who appreciates you for who you really are. Don't be afraid to share your quirks and dreams. It's these genuine moments that build lasting connections. Tip 8. Create shared experiences. Imagine you've been chatting for a while, and there's a natural chemistry between you. Now is the perfect time to suggest creating shared experiences. Think about planning an activity together. Perhaps a cooking class, a visit to an art gallery, or a weekend hike. Research shows that engaging in new experiences can significantly enhance attraction. When you create memories together, you're building a foundation for your relationship. Let's say you both sign up for a pottery class. As you mold the clay and laugh at each other's creations, you're not just having fun, you're solidifying your bond. These shared experiences give you stories to reminisce about later, strengthening your connection over time. Tip 9. Compliment her thoughtfully. Throughout your conversations, it's natural to want to compliment her, but instead of generic compliments, focus on what makes her unique. For instance, if she mentions her dedication to her art, you could say, "I admire how passionate you are about your painting. It really shows in your work." Thoughtful compliments resonate more deeply than generic flattery. Research indicates that personalized compliments can create a stronger connection. When she feels appreciated for who she truly is, it fosters a deeper attraction. Just ensure that your compliments come from a genuine place. Sincerity resonates more than any rehearsed line you could deliver. Tip 10. Give her space. As your connection deepens, remember that while it's important to show interest, giving her space is equally crucial. Imagine you've been texting frequently, but then she starts to take longer to respond. Instead of bombarding her with messages, respect that she might need some time to herself. Everyone needs their own space to reflect and recharge. Research shows that allowing someone space can enhance their feelings of attraction by creating a sense of mystery and anticipation. Be available but not clingy. When she knows you're there when she needs you, but also respects her alone time, you're building a foundation of trust and respect. It's the perfect balance that shows you're mature and confident. So there you have it, 10 psychological tips to help you win her over. Remember, the key is to be genuine and patient. Attraction takes time, and building a meaningful connection is worth the effort. Each tip, from showcasing your confidence to creating shared experiences, plays a role in forming that bond. It's about being the best version of yourself and letting your authentic self shine. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. What strategies have worked for you? We'd love to hear your stories. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.